I'm Julie Fergus of DIYVRBO, and in this video I would like to show you how I fold pillowcases. I'm usually using the standard size pillowcases for most of my vacation rentals, and I try to find a sheet fabric that is wrinkle resistant so that after it's in the dryer it comes out nice and flat. And here is a standard size pillowcase. I carve out a little bit of space to fold on a table because I do find that makes it quicker. Take the pillowcase with the open side down, put it on the table, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then fold it in half in the opposite direction. Place in the stack, and let's do that again. The open side will be down, put that on the table, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then in half in the opposite direction. And it makes for a nice compact stack with a nice front edge with less seams, where you can see if you had it stacked this way, it would have more lines. So I like to stack it with this facing out for less lines for a nice, clean, simple look.